Hey quilters, let's read between the seams. Come with me to turn your favorite fabric into your favorite bookmark. All you'll need are 3 4-inch squares of fabric and 2 4-inch squares of interface. So now that we have our squares, first thing we're going to do is take one of our interfaces and we're going to cut it across the diagonal to make 2 triangles. Okay, now we're going to take one of our interfacing triangles and we're going to fold our square over top and we're going to sew just along the diagonal. Now we're going to take our other 4-inch square of interfacing and one of our 4-inch squares of fabric and we're going to iron it shiny side up to the back side of the fabric. Now that we've done that, we're going to take our final square, put it right side up, put our triangle in there that we made, right sides together, and we're going to sew all along the border, leaving about a 1 to 2 inch gap. Now you're going to want to trim your corners. And then we'll flip it inside out. Now we're just going to tuck in those sides, give it a good press, and then do a top stitch all the way around. And there you go. What better way to get through so many chapters? Grab your scraps or come on down to Nebraska Quilt Company to find the perfect fabric to mark your books.